Hi everyone, this is Purnima Magalingam, and you're going to watch an interesting small story about SNS roadmap. Here in SNS roadmap, we have an most four stages. In this pictures, you can see this roadmap is divided into four stages. First one is foundation stage. This is the main needed for this roadmap process. Foundation stage. Next one is the framework and culture. And the third one is how it is growth and innovation. And fourth one is excellence and creations. These are the four main stages which is following in our SNS group. Okay. So what is our foundation? So where it begins? First thing is charts and challenges. What are the challenges we are facing? That is initiation frictions and fluctuations. These are the main two charts and challenges we have. So where the story begins is first one is where we are facing the challenges. The next one is common man and business. So how our foundations, which is applicable to the common man and the businesses, where the standards approaches. So we are setting a standards. So we are setting our tagline is we are building an entrepreneur mindsets. Okay, based on that our vision we are making a foundation. That is. The third and important one is design thinking. So where that is the human centric innovations. So these three are our foundations for SNS group. So first one is charge and challenges. Second one is common man and business approach, where comes the standard approach, and third one is design thinking, where this human centric approaches. These three are our foundations. So next one is framework, how we are going to develop these foundations, how we are going to develop, that is the framework and culture, and what cultures we are founding there. We are making this foundation strong. First thing is 3P culture. So 3P culture mainly deals with the 3P culture process. What is the 3P? So 3P, so purpose, what purpose we are doing this. And the second one is process. So how the process are going to achieve a purpose. And third one is for whom? The people. So the 3P, here we can see the 3P. Here, uh, here we can see the 3P cultures. Purpose, process, and people. Purpose. For what purpose we are doing. And process and people. And next framework is 3C framework. So 3C framework is attitude, logic, and technical. So for this generation, attitude plays a major role, and we have logical thinking and technical knowledge is needed. So we are concentrating on 3C. What is attitude? Attitude. We are concentrating on attitude. That is an important thing, and logical thinking and technically strong person. Okay. So we are founding our foundation. Next, how we are taking that foundation to the next level through 3P culture and 3C framework. Next one is next process is next process and important processes with the help of design thinking, human centric approach. We have five pillars. So these five pillars, where it is used is learning and upskilling and innovating and network. So where the people can learn, they can upskill their talents, and they can innovate their innovations, and the networks where the upskill the innovations and networks. So this comes under human centric approaches foundations. And here we have a special thing is spine, where not only for mind or physical exercise, we have health and hobbies and sports and clubs. We have an 18 clubs. We have an 18 big mango clubs where they can showcase their talents, and where they can connect it with the big mango clubs. Big mango companies by attending the workshops of the company, by attending the hackathons conducted by the companies, and by completing the courses which is conducted by the company. So many things happens in this time. Okay, so these framework and cultures, which is main important to achieve, are three foundations. Okay, where our foundation is charge and challenge and common man and business approach centric, and with the help of design thinking, human centric. These three are foundations. By using these framework and cultures, we are achieving these pros. Now, the next is by framework and culture. Next stage of we are framework and we are creating the culture, and next step of growth is growth and innovations. Here comes growth and innovation. What is innovations? We have an innovation 7 plus 7 innovations. We have 15 industrial club. So particularly we have an exclusive 15 innovation club. So through this club, they can easily connect with the industries, and we have 7 verticals and 7 industries verticals and etc. So with this, they can connect with the industry people. That will be very easy. And next, that can upscale their technical knowledge, and they can upscale their what attitude. They can upscale their logical thinking. They can upscale the technical knowledges. The next, how with the help of what? So Gen AI enabled process where the teaching roadmap and project hackathons, hackers, where the teaching roadmaps and hackathons, etc. Here comes the Gen AI based learning by using Gen AI based learning. And the next one is certified talent. Sorry. By using the certified talent, so IT, business, engineering, and health. So by using the certified talent, they can easy that industrial approach will be more easy for them to get into the industries. So by using this growth and innovations, almost we are achieving the our goal. Okay. The next process is excellence and creations. So by achieving this, what happens? Excellence in that. So by how we are excellence is main thing is smart OKR. So what is smart OKR? OKR is smart, specific, measurable, which can be achievable, and which is relevant to that, which is within the relevant time and time bound. So in a top time, in particular time bound, we are achieving some measurable values. Okay. So with the OKR goals, so it is gamifying. So by gamifying, we can achieve our goals. Here comes the smart OKR, which is connected with our 5 pillars. So smart OKR, we have on 5 pillars of CLT, Center for Learning and Teaching, CFC, Center for Creativity, and IAPC, and we have an SRI, and we have our SCD, where they can upskill, they can show their excellence in creations by using the smart OKR. The now come here is excellence. So progressive achievements. So not only making them to create an, but we have an progressive achievements. Achievement, but that might be progressive increases. Okay. Here, by using these excellence and creations, our aim as well. So we have the roadmap, final end of our process is 1,000 um, a startup in 10 years of mission. By using these process, our aim of final roadmap is 1,000 AI startups by the time of 10 years mission. Okay. And by achieving this process, automatically we'll be having a growth mindset using design thinking with the help of AI. So we have a growth mindset finally. This is the end of the roadmap for this process. So the design thinking provides the logical approaches and AI enabling scales with 1,000 startup mission is not just a dream. It is an achievable. I hope you all enjoyed this SNS roadmap. and we'll meet you next session. Thank you so much.